Welcome to our VBS EdTech YouTube channel. Today, I will be explaining you about the semantic tags, which are all the semantic tags we use in HTML, and the practical implementation of all these tags will be shown in this particular video. So let's start. First, let's understand what is a semantic tag and how we can use it in our web pages while making our web pages. So semantic tags means the tags which gives you the meaning of what content it present inside them. It gives the meaning for the user who is for the coder who is coding it, and also for the web browser to locate to understand what kind of content is present in that particular semantic tag. So there are some of the semantic tags like the header, the navigation tag, the site tag, and other tags. Okay, so let's see the implementation of that, how we can do it. Let's me uncomment this out. Okay, so first tag, semantic tag, which I am using here is a header tag. So inside header, there is a navigation tag which I have used. You can see this is the part where navigation is happening, and this navigation tag is inside the header tag. The reason is that whenever you have a web page in front of you, so the main part which comes is the head is the navigation, and it's in the header. That is the reason we have the header tag, and then inside header tag I have defined the semantic tag, that is navigation. Okay, the nav tag. You can use one or multiple header tag in your web page or in your web code, whichever you are coding. There is no restrictions onto that. Inside navigation, I have used the class Scrum, and then I have defined three navigation. That is, one is home, one is about us, and one more is contact. So under contact, I have not defined any link, and even these home and about links, those both link also are not redirect to any other page for time being. Instead, its hash symbol is given so that it's redirected back into the same page. So there is no external link which is taking away from this particular page to about page or contact page. That is how I have used it. And then after that, I have used the H2 tag to define a heading like about us. Inside that, I have defined a small paragraph that is nothing but the dummy text. Let's check the output. As you can see, there is the header tag, which doesn't give any display, but inside the header tag, the navigation tag is there, in which I have defined home, about us, and contact. As you can see in the URL, there is semantics folder, and then there is index.html. So let's click onto the home. You can see there is a hash symbol. So it is not going to any other page on any external link from this particular thing. Okay. And next there is about us, and there is a paragraph here. So the CSS is not defined for this particular, so it's not looking, the UI is not looking that great. But for your but for understanding, this is enough. Okay. So that is how you can use the navigation tag, and you can define any paragraph inside it. And this has to be enclosed within a header semantic tag. So header tag tells the web browser that this particular section has to be pushed up, and also the coder gets to know that there is a header inside which has to be come up of the web page. Okay, so you can select multiple header tags. Okay, so now let's move on to the other semantic tag, which is an article I have used here. So there is one more section which I have defined, inside which I have written the H2 as article just for the understanding. Then we have defined the article tag, as you can see here. Inside article tag, I have given the in some I have used some header tags like h1, and then I have defined a small article, as I can show you in the output, right? So I have defined a small article which tells the forecast of Bangalore. So on 3rd March 2023, it's raining. On 4th March, it is period of raining, and then it is heavy rain. So this particular article has been written using the particular article tag. Okay, so how many articles? You can define multiple articles inside a article tag. So as you can see, I have defined the article tag here, and then again inside it I have defined one more article tag here and given this particular information. Same way I had defined the second article and also the third article. Okay, that is how you can use the article tag. Next, let's understand how you can use the aside tag. Aside tag is not a semantic tag, but it's yes, it is kind of semantic tag. It gives the information that this particular information has to be on the. It does not have to be on the main scene, but instead of that, it has to be on the aside of that particular page. So this comes in the use where you are writing blogs for a page and you need to display some information, some highlighted information on a side, which is not that important for the main page, but it has to be there. It has to be present there. At that particular time, we use the aside tag. I have uncommented this out and save it and let's check the output. You can see here, this particular statement comes on aside as I have included the aside tag for this particular paragraph. Okay, so this particular paragraph is there and then aside paragraph is there and then again paragraph. So this particular aside tag, whichever information is there, is coming here. Okay, that is the use of the aside tag. Now let's move on to the other tag, which is the footer tag. Okay, so what do you mean by footer? Footer tag tells that the particular information has to be on the bottom of the screen. Okay, so the developer gets to know that this particular section has to pushed on the web page on the bottom of the screen. So that is the information under which footer section, that is the information which comes under the footer section. Okay, so for now time being, what I have done is I have displayed the copy 2023 your website and all right reserved. So you can keep the your website URL and all right reserved. Okay, so that is what kind of information you can display on the footer. Apart from this, if it is a web page, you can also define the company's address, the company's media social media links under that, and also the navigation bar. Those links also can be included under the footer section, and it also includes some of the disclaimers like that. Okay, terms and condition, all of that part comes under the footer section of your web page. So for timing, I have just given a background color which comes in the CSS part as some color code, and then I have defined 2023 your website all right result. So that particular section comes in the footer section. Okay, so that's all for today. We have covered the topic semantics. We have understood what all tags can be included inside that inside the semantic. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel and share it with your friends if you find it useful. And thank you for watching.